Today we are going to see how we play this game Memoristic by Clever Cubes. It's a challenge your memory game. The child has to memorize an answer. It's made for age 3 to 6 years. Let's see what is inside the box. There are 6 boxes given inside the box, and there are 4 sets of cards. Each set has pairs. So there is a pair of expressions. 6 expressions. There is a set of pairs of shapes. 6 shapes in pairs. Same way, 6 pairs of musical instruments and 6 pairs of vehicles. So we will start with 6 pairs of shapes. We also have a dice here. Let's see how we play the game. So we put these boxes and arrange them properly in front of the kid. This is how we arrange the boxes with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we open the box and keep these pieces one by one inside them. So while keeping the pieces inside the box, we tell the child that we are keeping these pieces inside them. So we are keeping this one in number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, okay, number 6, and here it ends. Okay, now we close the lids, and the child has to remember which box has which shape. Okay, so throw the dice. Throw the dice here. Alright, this says 5. You have to tell what is there in number 5.
Number 5. Yes.
Okay, let's see if it is there in number 5. Oh, okay, this is correct. So we give this to her and remove the box. Next, throw the dice. Number 6. What is there in 6? Alright, this is also correct. We can also change the style of game. We may not use the dice in this. We can simply ask, in which box do we have this shape? Okay. Alright, this is not correct. Let's see. In which box do we have this? Alright. Oh, this is not correct. Now let's shuffle this. Fine. In which box do we have this?
This. In this.
Now you remember correct. You have memorized it. Now you have to tell, in which box do we have this? Pakka. Okay. So now tell about these two.
These two are this and this and this.
Okay. So this is correct. Pause. Now this time we are going to mix 2 sets. First this set. 1. Look here. 2. Look here properly. 3. Okay, this goes in 4. This goes in 5. This goes in 6. And now look at these. Let's say we take vehicles. So this goes in 1. Okay. This goes in 2. This goes in 3. Auto goes in 4. Okay, crane goes in 5. And bus goes in 6. Now we will.
कुछ गलत हो या मम्मी?
कुछ गलत हो है? Alright, we'll see. Now we will close the boxes. And we can use the dice in this. Alright, so I throw the dice. You have to say, what is there in 1?
This I know.
This, Pakka, any shape you remember?
Shape I can't.
All right. So let's see if it is there in 1. All right. This is there in 1. This is correct. You get this. Now. No. Number 6. What is there in number 6?
This I know.
All right.
And then nothing.
All right. So this is there in number 6. That's correct. Bus is there in number 6. Now. What is there in number 4? What is there in number 4?
What?
What is there in number 4?
Number 4. Mm,
This?
yes.
Okay. All right. Number 4, auto. That's correct. All right. What is there in number 6? Okay. Number 6 is empty now, so we remove this.
Yes.
Okay. Now what is there in number 4? Yes. So we can continue this game in the same way till all the boxes are empty. What is there in number 2? Quickly. Okay, let's check this. Right, this is correct. So you have this in number 2. All right. What is there in number 6? Okay, number 6 is finished. Number 2. What is there in number 2? Okay, fine. Yes. Okay, let's check in number 3. All right, this is correct. All right. So we are left with only 3. Now you have to tell in which box do we have this. Okay. Now we are left with only 2. They are there in number 5. Well played. This is how we can change the game in various ways. Now there are 2 methods in this game that are mentioned here. There is a game in which a single player can play, and in which you can keep all the 24 discs or just keep one by one set. So you can start with level 1, level 2 use 2 discs, level 3 use 3 discs, level 4 use 4 discs. And there is a second method in which you can play with 2 to 4 players, in which you can place the 6 discs in a row on the table like we have done just now earlier. So this is how we play this. The method is given over here, and this game is good for visual perception and memory and matching. This is how we play Memoristic by Clever Cubes.